And good evening to the viewers or watchers, the subscribers. If you're watching for the YouTube for the first time, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the videos from the Up and Live show. We broadcast here live in England, UK every week on the Tuesday. So if you want to watch the show live, make sure you jump over to our Instagram page as at Up and Live Show. And the show is sponsored by the Granuaries Club each and every week. Thursday night, games night. Friday night is Ultimate Magnum Friday. Saturday night, you know, the hot spot on the Saturday on the south side, that's in Croydon. So make sure you go over to the Granuaries page and check out their page for the weekly events, all right? Right now, we have one of the fast rising stars from Jamaica live in the UK. He's here in the UK tour, couple shows so far. New artist too, the Up and Live show as well, Radar. Nervz is here in the UK. Welcome, sir.
Brian, in a lie.
Give thanks.
That is it.
Yeah, welcome to England. How you like England?
Oh, it's nice, man. Play a score like ice. You know what I mean?
See, at the first time?
Yes.
Yeah, man. How has the Queens, or I shouldn't say the Kingsland treating you?
Yeah, man, I miss a ring a queen and sorry for your queen go drop out what they are still in, but you don't know my love over here. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
Yes, yes.
You're obviously from Jamaica, but where in Jamaica you're from?
Spanish Town.
Spanish Town,
A
yeah?
place called Kitson Town up in our country bush, you know.
Some never know the country they are Spanish Town, man.
Yeah, man.
Red dirt.
Eh?
Red dirt, man. Africa settings, man.
You so like you're proud of the
Afro
countryside.
proud, man, cause look which party bring me.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yes, yes.
So tell us a little bit about the early beginnings of you in the music scene.
In a real life still, music has been a journey for me, you know what I mean?
Mm.
I wouldn't say I have an early stage because I'm still a grower, you know what I mean? It's a learning process right through. So
Exactly.
you see me? Yeah, I'm grateful for which part I reached so far. A long way, a whole heap more miles to go, you know what I mean?
Exactly.
Yes, yes.
So I've noticed quite a few of your tracks, especially the one we say Bangaphone.
Mm-hmm.
Explain to us this Bangaphone concept, because obviously we live in England
Mm-hmm.
and we've been having lots of different debate about some of the topic where the banger and the scamming and the over the science business that Jamaica, the new wave of dancehall. You as an artist with such an influential song that has such a captivating audience singing the song, what's your take on your analogy of the banger phone? What go on this?
Alright, so Bangaphone are one of them hustler anthem there, you know what I mean? Like back in the days, you know, Vibes Cartel used to sing about money, see me, our style of singing about money, this. You see me? So it's a up-tempo style, you know what I mean? We make you feel good, bring across vibes to your CMA, so it's never about scamming.
Okay.
It's more about hustling, you know what I mean? I anthem, I new wave, I new style, you see me?
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Exactly. It makes sense, but obviously for people that's not really connected to the themes and the trends of dancehall or what's really how it changes, may misconstrue what you're saying and get it a different way. So that's why I asked you the question, because I listen to some of your songs them, and the tagline is quite heavy inside there, which is quite catchy, and we like the concept of it, but obviously it's going to cause attention, don't it?
Yeah, it can cause attention, but as I say, the way people them want to hear and where me I sing about is just that type of vibe there. It's never about scamming. You understand? So once you want to feel good, you see me? You want to feel like you want to make some money, you can come listen to Nervz, you see me? Once
Exactly.
you want to go through your daily life, you can listen to Nervz. You know what I mean? So, brawling.
Yeah, so you're here now in the UK. Just talk us through the welcoming that you get in the UK, because we see you are around some major players in the game in UK. Just talk us a bit through the welcoming that you get.
I love the reception, you know what I mean? I'm grateful in a real life. I link up with Andrew Fresh them. You know, a couple of key players see me within a UK based dance. The reception nice from the people them over Bradford. Was it Bradford?
Yeah, Bradford.
Birmingham or something like that.
Birmingham was the first show.
Was it Bradford?
It was Birmingham the first show.
Birmingham was
Yeah.
the first show, the people. I mean, sing the song
Yeah.
over Birmingham.
You're not getting no accent, you're not catching that
Yeah, the
accent.
man just
Yeah,
start.
Was it Bradford? But yeah, man, Birmingham. I love the reception over Birmingham. You see me, people, them a sing the song. The event at Bradford now was like a showcase talent type of thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Show them so bad in a real life, you see me, and just mouth talk, you know?
exactly.
Yes, yes.
So and I know the show in Birmingham. It was a few acts from London as well was on that show.
Mm-hmm.
How did everything work out with you and these artists must have been new to you in some sense, because I guess you didn't know about a lot of them
In a real life
Before the
still,
show.
I'm an open-minded person.
Yeah.
That's what I deal with. I'm not gonna go on like so we are style and violent and
Yeah.
cause you know we can get to that point there, but we don't need to do that when we are coming in a new environment.
Yeah.
Where we are get to meet and greet with new people, new faces. You understand? So with that show I made it very open-minded about that event. Me just go there to do my job, partake. You know what I mean? That is it.
So,
Yeah.
so, be-
So it was a good little link up there.
Yeah, man, it's a great link up, man. What if a bad artist, too, man? You see me I deal with?
so based on the talents that you saw on that show, you said, you know, you keep an open mind. Is there any one or few artists that you identify that you might say, you know, so we don't want to do a project with a youth?
In a real life, we ever know say bad artists they are dancer.
Call name the man, make could know.
Shanti.
Shanti Force.
Shanti, Zeeks, and
Big
wait
Zeeks.
all youth name again.
Style of British.
Style of British. That
Yeah.
them bad
Yeah.
in a
Cool,
real
man.
life, bro. So
And so
would I work
has
with them
has
one day,
any
you know what I mean?
networks been made with
Yeah,
them?
we link with them and thing. We're about to-
Conversations.
Yeah.
Cooler,
we're about to
man.
get something
So
done,
UK
see, man.
dancehall collaborations
But-
might be in the pipeline, and we look
Brawling.
forward to that. See?
Yeah, man.
So talk to us about the music and what you've produced. You write all of your music, or do you
Correct.
have someone writing for you?
Right, all our songs.
All of them.
All of them.
And so where does the inspiration for your writing? Because
You
your
know,
writing style is quite different.
Mm-hmm.
As Rick alluded to, the
Bangaphone.
Bangaphone. If you listen to it, you can hear and detect a uniqueness. It's not like the regular, regular song. Then where do you get the inspiration for writing your music?
Alright, so inspiration, you know, a whole heap of bad artists we used to look up to see them before we venture a game of dancehall, you know what I mean? So, inspiration forward from the circle, you see me? And other great acts out there such as like Vibes Cartel, Jamil, you see me? You know, some rappers overseas same way. Man over here like Dave same way, you see me? So,
Yeah, listen, Dave.
yeah, you don't know. Me, so you will listen to all type of music, so you know inspiration I go crazy, you see me? People must just listen.
And so it's more, maybe it's a different subject of a tangent, but how do you feel as a youth from Jamaica? When you see recently Skilly Bang got a mobile awards, and he's just been announced that he's going to be going on tour with Chris Brown. Because I see your music in a similar vein. How do you feel as an artist seeing Skilly Bang getting that break? And how do you see yourself reaching such heights, or can even go further than that?
Make me answer them one by one. First thing, you make me feel good.
Yeah.
If you know, say man like yourself, a ghetto youth can forward from Jamaica and reach on them great them great platform there. You know me I deal with, and now yeah, say I go up on tour with Chris Brown. I never hear that one. That major achievement them thing them my father.
Yeah.
You know me, so that make me feel good as a young artist for know so me can reach on that level that you know what I mean? Brilliant.
Yeah, just to tap on what Rick said, like just look at Skilly Bang's career and the longevity what he's not having the business as yet, because with us Skilly Bang is still a new artist.
Yeah.
And so because like he get a big breakthrough at lockdown, and
Yeah,
all of
no
us
artist,
supposed
yeah,
to
man, I'm
supposed
at
to,
the good,
supposed to
rapidly.
remember lockdown vividly, because it's just the other day, and that was his time to shine. And after lockdown, he kind of have a pause, but based on the work we him do, it kind of bring him through, and to the wider world.
Yes,
And
been a good artist, man, as me I say, man, and for see what happened for your career right now, I'm grateful for that and not me, you see me?
yeah.
Brilliant.
And that outset, that outlook is a positive and refreshing one, because I mean, from a ghetto youth to an ex-ghetto youth,
I'm
to see
telling
somebody
man,
else that
brilliant, man.
we don't
Yes, man.
usually see it. Kudos to you for that, for that perspective, and it shows how humble you are and
True.
how grateful you are to be a part of the
True.
industry such as this.
Yeah, because
so-
end of the day, you don't know once
Yeah.
you youth them win, you know what I mean? It only make the industry better.
Definitely, and we need more people, and we
Yeah.
need more thinking such as that. So leads me to ask, what is it that so you're on the UK tour at the moment. What is it that is going to be happening? Because we're 6th of December, basically 2022 is finished. What is going to be happening for the rest of the year for Nervz?
Alright, so me basically now, I have Stinger come up, I have a couple more shows.
Talk loud,
forward.
no man. You can't just gloss over that, man. G.
Yeah, man,
Can't do it.
book for Sting, you see me, live and
Can't
direct.
do it.
man.
Remember,
I'm
say Sting
bundling
just a
over
forward
there.
back in the dog.
Yeah, man.
You
Yeah, man.
understand?
You know,
Yeah,
Spanish town style, different over Sting yard. You know what I mean?
Bare red dirt up the door.
So like you have to listen, because I'm glad to see you there here so right now, because me is a person like this. Me use the traditional Sting and obviously you get booked for Sting. I know you probably get a contract if you go perform, but we know what kind of show Sting is. So who you go shoot off for? Or because a Sting you go
No,
on,
you know that.
but a Sting you go on, remember and a Sunfest you go on our Jam World.
Yeah, I shot down a man brawling in that crowd, man, you know.
Are you willing to? Because most of these young artists,
What's a going on?
Una like
What's a going
clash.
on? Right now, I feel like Shabba my father.
Yeah.
No joke.
Okay.
They say that.
Life. Big up Ninja Man them said we, big up Bounty Killer said we.
So you know shoot more. Listen,
But
more,
right now,
fire shot
right
from
now,
early.
fire shot off for anybody who shoot up them birded, man. Me I tell you, man, cause man, brawling, man.
Intense, so it's
You
still.
see me? Intense.
I water, it's still. Come on, you
Them
shoot
good,
off
man.
a somebody.
Them youth, they
No,
good,
man. Go
Alright,
on, somebody
them
out there.
good,
where-
man.
I see.
Josh, you
Yo,
there.
what's a going on?
Big
What's a
Dan
going on?
them.
Nah,
Look
man,
at
we
some name.
brawling and bowl. Me who cost don't know me yard cold. Me youth have to rich before me start all. Straight like arrow the hunters now fall. The panahana roll. Can't stop a goal. Tag up a beast. Never normal, my father, man. A brawling activity, man. You hear that?
It's like how
Yeah,
Rick talk about who you shoot off for you. But like I ask you, obviously I do music. There must be somebody where say something, but we don't know, but we don't catch, and you know, where you know say, yo, you ready to shoot off. There must be somebody where you
As
see
we say-
the scope.
As we say, anybody will shoot up them birded, we go shot them down, you know what I mean?
And
So, so you welcome a clash then, if anything.
Yeah, man, right now, man. Right now, dance all, you know.
exactly. And I must commend your marketing team or management because I'll be honest. Before you forward to the UK and I see the flyers, I didn't know much about Nervz.
True.
Because not to say that I don't listen to
Yeah,
current
we
music, what's
understand, we
going on,
understand.
but your name didn't come across the radar. And from me see the flyer well, for the show you're doing, so I say, okay, I start do some groundwork and listen. You have good music,
Thanks, man.
but the problem what me find is that there's so much music coming out of Jamaica, so much good artists. How do you find your way to maneuver to get your music being heard?
Well, you have to just be yourself, you know what I mean? In a real life, and then you have this thing when you have TikTok, you have social media in general. And then now me as a youth are connected with the streets. So I deal with the selector them, big DJs them, you know, interviewers like yourself, you see me? So I just use what I can and then make the music speak for itself.
Yeah, at any
As,
point
as
in
well
your
as you
career,
have a good management
at any
team
point in
as
your
well.
career
Yes,
now,
man.
Shout out to
you
your
know, like
management.
everybody is trying this clout going thing. At any point, you ever feel like just to fuck up 2 markets, forget some clout, you know?
Just write them off of the
Right,
road.
them off, them not too light posts.
Nah, cause I end the idea and I know clout, you know, a longevity, you see me?
Cool, man.
Alright.
Yeah, and me there for solid
you're
year
here-
and a
you're
half.
here-
I found Chopper for true 2021 June. You see me? That got 2-3 million views and we're still there right now. So
So where
I
Polo
know
there?
feel
Can
club.
you have songs to Polo for these?
Polo
Where
for days and that's a next trend again.
So where Polo where you are weird
Yes,
now?
me.
Where Polo
You
there?
don't know me have piece of polo here, but I wear gloves. I wear gloves.
Aye.
Find the gloves them.
You need to put Polo Boss in the video because Polo wear. When we
Yeah,
have Polo
man.
for 1 year straight.
Yeah,
Polo boss, breathe all the general you know.
exactly. But
Yeah man.
So
Help embrace it's the thing, you know?
no, you're from Spanish Town, yeah? So we know Governor and a lot of brilliant artists come from that side. Do you have any connection with none of them? Like, do none of them like mentor you or try to get you helping and through the gate?
Wait,
Big
the
up
camera
Clara
the pan, you
Bass.
know, you can't hold it up.
You got
You
Clara.
you
Yes,
can
the
hold it
camera
up
there.
now.
Polo
Yeah.
for
Polo
days.
for
You
days.
know what I mean?
Yeah. Talk to us about the
Yeah.
mentoring.
In a real life, you know, when I get a credit which part not do in a father.
Yeah.
That's what I deal with. Big up Govey Sedway, big up Jamil, big up Chronicler. That's what I deal with.
Yeah.
Yeah, brawl in them youth. They look out for young artists them from Spanish Town. La Boss is a man now where see my talent different and reach out and you don't know me and him multiple works together. You see me so? Yeah man, we have to big up a G them. No joke.
a song with general name where they are where we found from Fort General Camp.
Coyote.
Coyote. Bad song.
Bad song. Bad artist.
But that song and me not see it and that's why I not understand how Jamaica work. Because a song like that, where even we are media players, me not see that song there.
True.
Unless me go up on your page and go look earlier on.
In a real life, still,
Actually,
you know.
me see it. Me don't know what
In
go
a real
on.
life, you know, father, me I tell you the honest truth, you know. Me a boy never buy a view yet, you know. You understand? And a whole heap of things me see I go on a new dance hall, you see me? Man a flag man song and flag YouTube channel and one wall across it. So me I deal with them. I not really depend on them things there, so. A natural thing we I deal with, father. So we put the song out there. You see me, people them love the song. The people them, yeah, them bust it. Same like the rest of the song them. Me never do no big promotion for none of the song them. You see me I deal with. So I just that now we need to start looking to and do some proper promo around the thing them. You understand?
Yeah.
Because as I say, I just natural thing them. You see me? No joke.
Yeah,
You see me? Yeah.
in terms of dancehall now, we know like you are a very lyrical artist, you are a very potent artist. In the nowadays wave of dancehall, do you feel pressure to dumb down the lyrics? To kind of densify it, if that's a word.
Look at the class.
For kind of please the nowadays fan. To kind of make it
More
ABC 1, 2, 3 because that's what's selling.
Makes sense. Makes sense. But not everybody are gonna do that. You see me I did.
Do
As
you,
a
do you
young
feel
youth,
pressure?
as a young youth we set trends and not everybody are gonna do that. You understand? So big up the done stocks them same and the done see with them. But me a boy we have bachelor's degree, you see what me I deal with. So me have to embrace that father. You see me, no joke. So yeah, me want me pick them and me youth them we are listen to Nervz for get inspired and know say watch you know. Have this up as man.
And the name. Give us, explain the name for us. The name Nervz.
Nervz, you know what say alright then. I named it. Couple of years ago. Just started smoke weed and thing, you see me? So my friend, me and my friend we named Crime. We did there upstairs in an unfinished building. And we did there and roll up the first spliff and thing. But while me I smoke it now, I start sweat.
No. Me I want if we not
Wait.
if we not take note of the name them. Crime.
You see me?
Hold on.
So, yeah, sweat, you see me say, dog, I say, yo, I'm you nervous. I said, no, dog, I'm not nervous. The dog say, yo, no, wrong. The dog said, Nervz, you're nervous. I said, no, I'm not nervous. Oh, we are called Nervz. Where you get that name there from? You see me? I said, you know, so that name there bad. Because at the time when we are smoke, we just start do the music thing. Just start write song in a book and them sitting there. Me and him a play YouTube with him and we are look for artist name and them sitting there, you see me? And him go call me Nervz out there, you see me? So we just work
That
with
is
it.
it.
That is it. The rest of history.
So you see, when I said earlier with the banger chopper phone and that, with the government saying them a ban choppers, did that affect you or it just sweet as a motivation to just do
No,
more?
that can't affect me none at all, father, because I end the day, he's an artist.
And you're not sticking on one name.
No, he's an
and
artist.
That's
so.
the uniqueness
Me
about
have-
you as well.
That me I telling you say people me all boil back down to because I people them I pick the song them what them want for hear.
Listen to.
Because me have a whole mixtape out there with 17 songs. You see me titled Street College.
Yeah.
You see me, if you listen them song there, you would never expect say you that hear Nervz I sing about banger phone.
All right, speaking about the banger phone now, like you're the perfect person because you are fresh from Jamaica.
Up on the ground.
So you on the ground. So how do the nowadays artists kind of go around that ban that the government impose about these chopping, scamming, and these violent songs? How do you guys go around it? Are you guys care about the airwave anymore?
Alright, you have to care about earwaves, you know. I understand. I can't go around earwaves, but me personally, as me say, versatility. Remember, say, you know, I'm not chopping alone, they have to sing about, bro, I'm not banging alone, just money alone. You know what I do? They have a female, them, type pussy female, them, you have to dig out them belly and some things.
The big one want them too.
I get what you're saying, but the hottest song
You see me?
in the last couple
Everybody's equal.
months in Jamaica is all about the bangers, choppers, and the scammers.
Yeah, correct.
And the Uber worker.
Correct.
Yeah, so
So, as I say, I just, up to you them right now. Fall back down on the youth them, on the artists them right now, where them have to just get versatile or be versatile.
because you say something earlier on, and it's very true. It's not the artist really putting on the music; it's the people picking the song that they want to hear.
Pick a song what they
So-
want to hear, bro.
What's the workaround? That's what I'm trying to find out. Like you have the banger phone now, and the people them say that them I work with. How you can work around this because the government decides say we are ban these songs, we don't want it there, so we don't want to play in a public space, blah blah
Alright,
blah,
so-
airwave, that kind of thing.
them thing a strategy still in me. I go tell you still in me for it. You see me? Like me and the team right now, we have a way of work around this.
What's that
So,
way? That's
you
what we're
have-
asking.
You have me personally
Mm.
have two different type of fan base. As we said, the Bangaphone fan base and the Street College fan base.
Mm.
Bangaphone now can play upon radio, but Street College can.
Mm.
You understand? So I just so me I go mix my thing.
Okay, so you had the
Two sides of the kind.
You see me I did the dual citizenship.
So
I-
if,
You see me?
like how you talk about dual citizenship, you know, and in the interest of time, because most of the people that move in this side of the world,
You're new to
you're new, fairly new. Because only since this week I've been listening to your music for the first time. I mean, I vibe through from Spotify. I drive to
I'm
my car.
grateful, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Same, yeah.
I will like the energy. So you see that energy there where you have over there, so when you follow look at energy right, that's so for the viewers and full people them can get a look and
Yeah, man.
hear the artist. Because sometimes it's good for you have a conversation. Yes, and the conversation is good,
True,
but people want to see what really are going.
true.
Don't
True.
it?